friends and family, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Sharita and the name of my channel is Unique by Sharita. This is going to be a redecorate video. I'm going to paint as well as move some things around in my eating kitchen. I'm just going to paint below the chair rail. I purchased the same color paint as the top, but in a different sheen, which is Universal Khaki by Sherwin-Williams. It looks very different, and I'm assuming it's because I purchased this one from a hardware store instead of from the company store. Just to let you know a little bit about what I've been doing on my channel, I have been updating my space as well as decorating and getting rid of pieces I no longer need. There's still some items in this area that I am 86 in as well, such as the dining chairs. I put them on Facebook Marketplace already and they have already sold. They are in great condition. I even thought about painting them, but decided to sell the 6 and downsize to 4 larger chairs. These small brown pictures and maybe the large pictures will be leaving along with the side table at some point. I'm not sure about these curtains. I got them from Home Goods. They may be going back. I wanted something kind of light and airy, but these may be a little bit too flimsy instead of light. So I don't know. I'm going to keep them up for about a week and see if they'll grow on me. Probably remember these pictures. I had them above my sofa in the hearth room. I decided to bring them in here for now. Like I said, we're still working in this area. Although I will have a finished look, this will not be my final look. Okay, so since I sold my chairs before I can purchase some new ones, I moved the two that were in the hearth room over into the dining area, and they work well in the space. I mean, my husband and I will probably have a candlelight dinner for two every now and then, and it kind of made it a little cozy over there too. So I'm enjoying it. I think I'm going to like it. All right, everyone, we are getting close to the end of the video. I want to thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel and you enjoy videos like these, as well as lifestyle, DIY, and decorating videos, please subscribe to my channel. Turn your notification on so you'll be the first to know when I post videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Here's a reminder of how the space looked before, and here's after.